Alright, the next big thing is Face ID. No, it's not. It's an in-display fingerprint sensor. What? So Vivo introduced the new in-display fingerprint sensor and it's finally here. It's not from Samsung, it's not from Apple, it's not from OnePlus or any other brand. It's from Vivo. Vivo, yeah, Chinese brand. And they introduced a fingerprint sensor that is over here, like on the screen. And what do you have to know about that? Well, it only works with OLED screens. So OLED screens don't need backlighting and that's why they can see the contours of your fingerprint. So that's why it works with OLED. And it works with the Synaptics optical sensor. And Synaptics is actually responsible for all the trackpads and stuff for computers and for phones as well, touchscreens, things. And they now introduced the fingerprint sensor on the screen itself, which is nice. Right now the fingerprint sensor on the screen on the Vivo is a bit slower than the regular ones, but I'm sure that in 2018 all the new phones will get a fingerprint sensor on the screen, so there's no limit anymore. Right now the fingerprint sensor of most phones is on the back over here, which means that you can of course have your whole screen or you have your Face ID, which in my opinion doesn't work every time. But if the sensor is over here, or over here at least, and this is still part of the screen of course, then you have a whole screen and you don't need a fingerprint sensor on the back, which is pretty neat. So I think you can already imagine all the possibilities they'll do with that fingerprint sensor, and at least also the home button will get there as well, and that will be force touch compatible and stuff, so that's for another topic. Alright, if you have any questions regarding that fingerprint sensor on the screen itself, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be very glad to answer them. Make sure to also watch my other videos. See ya!